Cool beans. All right, jumping right into it. As always, we're gonna start out by looking at the dollar. We need to get a general idea of the overall trend of the dollar, so that way we can use that as a measuring tool for our currency pairs and even as a measuring tool for our indices in metals. So starting with the dollar. Hold on. Let me get my screen. Okay, there we go. All right, starting with the dollar. I do want to see the dollar come down and retest Friday's close. That's right here with its gap at. This is Friday's close, and this is Sunday's open. So I do want to see the dollar come down and fill in this gap. As you can see, we're getting some aggressive bearish movement momentum um, out of the dollar right now. So we could possibly see this move between the rest of Asian session and throughout London and to the open of New York tomorrow. So that's what I want to see from the dollar to start the week out with. That's what I would like to see. So Um, moving on to our currency pairs, of course, we know if we expecting to see the dollar go bearish, then we want to, of course, see our currency pairs go bullish. Um, Looking at Euro USD, just got a good entry for this buy right here. Uh, yes, sir. So that's what I would like to see out of Euro USD. I would like to take this on up. TP 123. Oh yeah, that's good, Bill. 145, 170, 200. Yeah, that's good pivot. So that's what I would like to see out of Euro USD starting the week out with. Moving on to GBP USD, same thing. You know, we expecting the dollar to be bearish, then we're expecting GBP USD to be bullish. Yes, sir. Up about 20 pips. Um, Stop loss would be below here. that fear back up there so you can see your take profits. Yeah, take profits. Good money. Moving on to NZD/USD. All right, cool bean. That's what I would like to see out of NZD/USD. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. All right, this was the move that we caught last week out of Bitcoin. TP1 and 2 and 3 was hit. Um, TP1, 2, 3. All three was achieved. Um, and now um, there is a good possibility Bitcoin could come back down and retest 12,350 and 12,286. There. However, since Bitcoin has been holding this support right here, I've been ping ponging. When we had TP3 achieved over here, we came up, made it swing down. You know what time it is, bring the field out, ping pong it, same thing here, bring the field out, ping pong it. So I caught this buy, this sell and this buy. Now I'm just gonna wait for price to come back up here, take my profits, and then see how price react to this structure. This price level when it gets back here at this 70, 80 for this down move. Um, I would like to see it break it and keep pushing. Upside, we do want to see Oh yeah. 13.7. Yeah, we want to see 13.7 achieved, but that, okay, what we got there? 14.7. Okay, that's good. Yes, sir. So if you was to take a trade off of these levels here, you know your stop loss would be run that thing on up. Looking at silver, silver pushing. However, I still see silver come down here. So I'm on the sideline. I'm on the sideline for silver right now. Um, I do think silver is gonna come back up in here. Um, before it goes down. So just looking at it, let me see something right here. Okay. Yeah. So trying to find me a good liquidity imbalance, liquidity void, uh, imbalance or something. But let me see. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Yeah. Cool beans. Let's see how that play out. For silver, the start the week out with. Looking at gold, same thing for gold. See, see gold come on up in here. Give us another play off of that zone. It's been giving us play after play off of the zone. It will break through that zone, but this zone is prime area to catch a play off of. I mean, you can catch this play, this sell, set your stop loss above this wick right there. Keep a tight stop loss. Price may kiss off of that level and may not, and may just bounce the opposite direction. I mean, that's how I do sometimes. Um, I would go stop loss above here. But if you want to be extra conservative, you could put it above here. That would be about, let me see. Eh, that wouldn't be nothing but like 120 pips. Sound like a lot, but it's not for big for gold. So I would probably matter of fact, I would probably take my entry. I would probably put two entries on. That way it'll be tight. But you can go here too now. 1910. Put that stop loss like 1911. Like I said, like 100 pips. But yeah, I like that for gold. That's what I would like to see out of gold. Start the week out with. Um, moving on to um, U30. Um, last week told you guys that if U30 couldn't get back above 390, which is this price right here, this is the price where I initially sent the sale out last week, but as you can see the manipulation right here, this was our entry. Our stop loss was above here. Or either here. I can't think of which one. I know it. If we got in right here, it would have been above this high. But if you took the entry right here, which you shouldn't have, you should always wait for the retest or whatever. Then the stop loss would have been above this line high, regardless of which entry you took. You would have got stopped out because of the manipulation right here. What you remember what I told y'all to call that? The shakedown. The big squeeze out, squeeze little guys like us out because our accounts are not big enough to hold that amount of drawdown. Because most of the time we're probably over leveraged in the first place. Um, so that's the purpose of having a tight stop loss. So it is what it is. But you can see price came back down, got up under our entry, got up under this level here off of this move. So as always, we know the levels stay relevant. So um, once I seen price come down like here, that's when I told you guys if price couldn't get back above where we entered at, which was 28,390 right here, that you could go ahead and sell the draws off of U30. I told you guys. And as you can see, U30 dropped for 8,530 pips. So, yeah, man. So now for U30, what I want to see, what I would like to see, what I expect to see out of U30 is for U30 to give us a correction off of this drop. This was a nice little drop. So you should see, I want to see U30 come back up here. I want to see how U30 react to 28,000, 25, 28,065. This zone right here. I want to see if U30 gonna fake it or if it's gonna check it. If it check it, it's gonna break it and push up and come back up here and retest week before the last. Hold on. Yeah, week before last lows. Mm, yeah, week before last lows right here. This price level. That's only if we get above here. 28,000, 25, 28,060. But that's what I want to see out of U30 to start the week off. So let me end this recording and I'll take any questions.